Hello friends, I welcome you to the 18th episode of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak, I represent iFinStrats. Today I have come up with yet another stock uh, which we will be doing analysis for. But before we go into the stock, let me tell you that today's stock what I have selected is purely because of the momentum it is gathering, and also it's a very small cap company. However, I'm just picking it up from the point of view of it giving a good breakout today, and I think the stock could just gain some momentum from here as it is doing giving a long-term breakout. So fundamentally, the stock may not be that strong, but technically, I find this stock could give a little bit of momentum in the days and weeks to come. Now, the stock I'm talking about here is uh, a stock from textiles and apparel sector. Basically, this is basically consumer kind of industry, kind of sector. The stock's name is Sarla Performance Fibers. It's into textiles and garments. Now, Sarla Performance is a very small stock which is currently trading at 92.8 rupees. It has gone up by 2.71% just in one day today. As of the close of today, it is trading 92.8, gaining, as I said, technically good strong momentum. Uh, the stock has made an all-time high of 93.85, so it's fairly close to its all-time high. In fact, maybe today it has, if I'm not wrong, we'll see the charts, but I guess it has broken the all-time high today sometimes. The stock is very high beta. The beta is sitting at 1.61, so it's volatile. Be very careful before making any kind of position in the stock. The market capitalization is sitting at just about 774 crores. So without wasting any time, technically let's try to analyze where Sarla performance, uh, how Sarla performance stock is performing. So folks, we are in the monthly chart of Sarla performance, and let me just bring up the pen here. Let's see. So it has done all-time high earlier of 91.2 rupees back in somewhere January of 2016. Let me just check whether what I'm seeing is thing. Yeah, in January 2016, it made previous all-time high, and in this month, rather I would say today, it has broken that all-time high of 91.2, and the stock has made a high today of 93.85, which is now the real time all-time high, and it has closed at 92.8, which is extremely close to its today's and all-time high price. But the stock um, has got some momentum, which we will see, and it could if it closes over this resistance zone in the next few days, it could give us a good price action breakout, and we could just kind of go ahead and uh, book some good profits in Sarla performance. Now let's try to deep dive into the weekly chart of the script. Yeah, so the weekly chart, again, as I said, it has given the breakout right today, and the stock is showing some good bullish momentum for the past 3 weeks. Breaking it down into the daily chart, let's go down to the daily chart, and that's where all the action can be seen. So look, it has been making higher lows in the past few days, more than past few days, and today it is just closed above the previous time, 2016, old time, I would say, resistance. It has just broken it, and closed above the resistance. Now all we need to see rather is the price action from here, which will give us the understanding whether we need to really take a position in this stock. So I like to keep this stock in my watch list for now. Uh, Also, just quickly looking at some of the other parameters. Yeah, let's see. So as usual, uh, RSI on a daily basis is right above 60. The stock is already traversing above 55 week weighted moving average. Uh, Good story. From the ADX point of view, the stock is having some good strength. The relative strength as compared to the Nifty 500 here as the benchmark is pretty positive. So the stock is performing better than the benchmark. And as we can all see, the on balance volume, the on balance volume is showcasing some good up move with respect to the price up move. So I think all in all, a little bit of price action, and then the stock is ready to go for us in terms of a good position, a short-term good position where it can quickly give us a few percentages hike, and then we can exit the stock. So again, this is not a recommendation. This is my personal analysis. I thought this would be a good technical analysis stock to pick up for today, although it may not be great on its fundamentals. But then I guess it's a good stock which we should keep in our radar, which we should keep in our watch list. And before, if you even if you want to make position, it's a bit risky stock, volatile stock. The beta is pretty high. If you want to take any kind of position, do talk to your financial advisor, do your own financial analysis, and then go ahead and take the stock. But intentionally, I'm not giving you here any targets or buy price or stop loss. I would want you to do that analysis yourself. And if you wish to take a position, all your call. I'm not SEBI registered, and therefore I can just do my piece of analysis for all educational purposes only. With this, we come to a close of this week. It was a pretty happening week. Lots happened, be it Nifty, Bank Nifty, lots happened, and the stocks have gone all up and down. And I think it's been a pretty challenging week for traders like us. Uh, However, the week has gone by, and now we're waiting to see the new week from coming Monday. I guess Monday the markets are not working, but from Tuesday onwards we'll have a little bit of a short week. But then, yeah, I'll be back with yet another stock for you coming Tuesday, Monday being a holiday. So you take care, guys. Have a very nice evening, nice weekend, and long chutti of Saturday and Sunday, and those who are in full-time market for them Monday as well. So have a nice time. We'll catch up again on Tuesday. Thank you.